Hi there, I'm Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today we are going to make an Asian fusion dish that's called our Thai lettuce wraps. And this is my take on the traditional Chinese appetizer that I used to get as a kid, and we're making it a plant-based upgrade, and it is delicious. So you can follow along where I'm going to show you how to do everything. You can also go to our blog, which we've included a link in our description for you to get the full recipe as well. I hope you enjoy it. This recipe does require a lot of prep work, but it's because the flavors are so delicious in it and we're layering them upon each other. So you're gonna wanna make it. And one of the best things about it is you're only gonna use one skillet and put everything in it, so cleanup is very easy. The first thing you need to do is warm a large skillet over medium-high heat. And then we're gonna add some oil and heat until it's shimmering. Then you're gonna toss in the celery and shallots and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add in the ginger and the garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Next, you're gonna stir in the mushrooms, and I want you to cook them and make sure you're stirring occasionally so that they start to brown nicely. Some of the water will release from the mushrooms, and you're gonna wanna cook it long enough for it to evaporate. Stir in the lime juice, the tamari, and also the coconut sugar and the rice vinegar. Add in the walnuts and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes just to toast them nicely. Now we're gonna simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Now we're gonna remove it from heat and add a couple more ingredients. One is our crushed red pepper. That'll give it a little bit of spice. Then we're gonna do our herbs, which are a mixture of fresh mint and cilantro. And stir it all together. This is a very savory, tasty dish. I'm already drooling. All right, now we're ready. So I'm gonna take my butter lettuce leaves, which are the shell that we're using. They are fresh. It is, instead of using taco shells or anything like that, we're doing this. And just add a little bit of the meat to it, which is actually mushrooms. We're gonna top it with some cashews, some carrots, and a little bit of green onion, also known as scallions. And then if you really like it, you can even do a squeeze of lime juice. All right, and there you have it. This is your Thai lettuce wrap. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how simple it can be to make Thai lettuce wraps at home. And it takes a little bit of prep work, but after that, you're good to go. And you saw how quickly we've assembled them together. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more just like it, or even more adventurous, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. All right, bye. And that's a wrap.